Okay, so here we have the Malayan Park is over there. We'll go there shortly. So in a while we'll go there. So this is some Singapore theatres is there, and this is the famous Marina Bay Sands. Okay, so you can see the famous boat shape, right? It's a big hotel over there and big casino downstairs and all. Okay. We'll try to go near the Malayan Park to cover it shortly. I think this is some theatre system, huh? The lotus shape, right? I need to recollect the history, but I think this is represents some theatre inside. And there, near to that Fullerton Hotel, I think there's a Malayan Park over there, where we go normally get the boat ride. Okay, so I will see if I can cover that. You see, normally we'll get some boat rides from there. Okay, I think the Malayan, actually the lighting is today off, it assumes. I cannot see from here. I'll go there and see. It's a beautiful view actually, and this is a ferry wheel where that wheel we'll cover it later on also. Okay, this. And try to zoom and see how far we can see. So this wheel goes very slow, so from downstairs we cannot see it moving. Okay, so I will walk through the lane and I will try to go there. Okay. So guys, we came from there. We were there on that bridge where the lighting is going on. Initially we were there, so we came from there to here now. Okay, to near the Malayan Park we have came here. Okay, so I'll just walk through. Okay, so we were on that bridge. From that bridge we just came here near to that Malayan. Okay. I think normally it will have a lightings over there, so for some reason I don't see it. Okay, ideally we will have a lighting for that Malayan. Okay, Malayan is there, right? So you can see the waterfall from his mouth. So normally we will have a lighting through it, but I think it's some occasion and some timing is there. Okay, for that. So on the weekends it is normally normally loaded. Okay, but I think these are weekdays, so there is no much people over here, and there is a corona time also, so most probably because of that. So you can see the lion. Just opposite to it is the famous Marina Bay Sands, and you can see the Singapore Wills also from here. Okay. Okay, this place, I think this one is designed based on the famous durian. Okay, it's a durian fruit, is a local famous in Singapore. So this is basically designed based on the durian outlook. Okay, and this is our famous Fullerton Hotel. I need to check whether it is a 5-star or 7-star. So yeah, we can see some light now here, but ideally the whole Malayan will be have a lighting in it. So today it's not there. I thought it should be there, but I don't know why.
अपन जा चुके इधर सारी तुमको दूर से बोट दिख रही है छोटी सी अपन बैठ चुके हैं वो बोट में हाँ
Some other girls are also trying to cover. Okay. There is some fruit shop. We'll see what is it. This is newly open. It was not there earlier. Okay. I will try to see buy some drinks from there. Okay. Okay. So you guys you can see the famous Singapore Wills from here. Okay, the Singapore Wills, we can see it. This is the Marina Bay Sands restaurants, we can see it from here. Okay. I will try to cover that also later on. Okay, we see how far we can see them on the top. Okay, there is a famous swimming pool on the top, rooftop swimming pool is there. I don't see anyone. Okay, anyways, so this is the Malayan. Actually, there is a history behind this Malayan. Okay, that because when the Singapore was formed, actually, I heard it was mainly occupied by the lions. Okay, so that's why they have a face of a lion. Okay, and the half body, they say they have a fish because mainly this business they have done is a fishing business over here. Okay, so that's why they are having a half of lion and half of this one. It's very calm actually. You can see a lot of people coming over here and just for sitting for a piece. Okay. See, there is a boat service going on. Actually, there is a boat service. We get it from here actually. Okay, you can see one small boat is going on in there, right? So we try to give you a boat service over here. Okay. You can see a boat also here, right? It will just go through around for 5-10 minutes, I think. I don't know the exact duration. Maybe 10-15 minutes it will give you a boat right over here. Okay, just around the corner, not very far. Okay. Here we actually came here with my ex-wife, so that I remember. Really, if you're a couple, it's a romantic location to spend some time. Okay, we'll just walk through, see what are the shops nearby and see how it is. There's some ice cream shops are there. We'll see. Some actually people come here for jogging and cycling as well. There's some shops over there. Ideally, the shops near the attraction places will be costly. they they charge for the location as well. Okay, but I think it's close. No problem. I'll buy somewhere else. I believe there was some Louis Vuitton shop over here, showroom over here, I think. Okay, if I'm not wrong, there was some LV one boutique was there, but as of now I don't see it. Okay, so I'll just give you a last glance and I will try to wind up.